guys, this is a short review of the Costco GoodYear actually brand sold at Costco wiper blades for well, in this case is going to be for a BMW E90 series. It's kind of a universal kit, and aesthetically, well, it looks the way it is. Not too pleasing, but it does the job well, I hope. Okay, see the brand right there. They were $5 on sale. I think they were originally maybe $8 or $9. I just installed them the other day, and this is, of course, the OEM one, which will actually ride a little lower. Okay, you have to get the middle piece here out and fit a couple more things in there. I'll show you what, in order to make them work on this particular model. Alright, so this is the one on sale at Costco currently. 19 for the BMW for passenger side and 22 for the driver's side. This is how low the OEM one sits, okay, compared to this one. Okay, it's going to be a little higher. So this is the piece that comes installed on the wiper. You have to take it out, swap it for the one that comes in the kit. Replace this little trim piece here, and make sure that you pull out the correct end of it. So in this case it would be this side right here, because it's got a little tab. Okay, so you don't want to pull on this little tab right here and break it. You want to pull on this end, actually, right here. Pull it out this way, and then it will come out when you want to swap these two pieces right there. So this is what it looks assembled right this way. This thing comes out rather easy. Just squeeze those two tabs, boom, out. And this one will go in this way. You have to pull this little rocking tab over there, fit it in here first. Of course, with one hand is going to be difficult. I got it, I guess, I hope. Not so much. Try it again. Alright, so this end right here will have to fit in, and then work this guy in there. So let me cut in. Okay, so now you kind of squeeze it in a little bit, bring it up, and you're going to have to push that little thing in. It will click eventually. So to me it doesn't really, I have to bring it in here a little more. There you go. There, it clicked. Okay, so alright, just kind of squeeze it a little bit. Doesn't seem like it's secure enough, although if I pull on it, it doesn't really fall. Haven't had any rain lately since I installed them, so I don't know exactly how they're going to behave while driving and, you know, using them. But anyway, like I said, you have to replace this little thing first. There's one middle piece there that comes out. Okay, you take that one out first with two hands. Eventually it will come out, and then pull again this end. Okay, this end you have to pull up. Okay, not the one with the tab over there. Alright, I'll let you know how they work out in the rain, hopefully sometime this year in California.